Hello friends, I'm Karthikesh. In this video, we are going to see about how to decode QR code using Python. So first of all, we need a QR code. If you need to create a QR code, there is a video in my YouTube channel. In that video, I have clearly explained that how to create a QR code using Python. So here I created a QR code for my YouTube channel. Let me open it. Okay, this is my QR code. We are going to decode this QR code using Python. First, we want to open the PyCharm. For this project, we need a specific module. The name of the module is PySbar. Spelling is pip. First, we want to give a command pip install PySbar. PYZBAR. Okay, it's a module. We are going to decode the QR code. Okay. Here the required module is already satisfied for me. If you not download it, just download it. First, we are going to move on to the coding. First, we want to import the module. Okay. First, giving a command from PySbar. The name of the module is PySbar, and giving a command dot PySbar. Okay, and importing a specific module or folder is decode. Yes, we are imported this module, and we want to import another module. The name of the module is pill, which is pillow. If you want to download this module, just giving a command pip install pillow, PILLOW. Okay. Yes, I already downloaded it. If you not downloaded, just download it. Okay, first, and I will give a command from import image. Okay, the module section is over. Next, we are going to declare a variable. The name of the variable is k, and giving a equal to sign, and giving a command decode, and giving another command which is image dot open. Within this parenthesis, we want to give our location of our image. Okay, here my location of name of the image is my QR. Okay, dot png is a format of png format. So giving a single quotes or double quotes, and giving my QR dot png, and we want to paste the image in our project folder. Remind it. Okay, that's all. And we are going to print the variable. So here print k, and giving a box bracket, and giving a argument which is 0, and giving a date, and giving a command dot data dot decode, and giving a parenthesis. Okay, let me explain the full coding. First, we want to import the two models, which is PySbar and pillow, and we are declaring a variable which is k, and giving a command decode. Then we are within this parenthesis, we are giving a command is image.open, and within that parenthesis we are giving our image name. Okay, here my image name is myqr.png. At last, we are giving a print statement which is k and a box bracket, and giving a argument 0, and giving a command dot data dot decode. Okay, let me run this program. See here, it's my required QR code which is decoded. In this QR code, I have pasted my link. Okay, in the previous video I have mentioned it. See here, it's my YouTube channel link. Let me click it. Let me copy it. Okay, and paste in a web page. See here, my YouTube channel is opening. Another time I am going to explain this with a different QR code, which is my WhatsApp group link QR code. Okay, this is my QR code. If you not join my WhatsApp group, the link is in description to join the WhatsApp group. Okay, the name of this QR code is whatsapp.jpg, and we want to recode this. Just changing the name of the image. whatsapp.jpg. Okay, I give the path. I'm going to run the program. Can you give me a run? Okay, this is the link which is to join my WhatsApp group. Okay, let me copy it. Just pasting. Okay, we successfully done it, which is decode QR code using Python.
If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to Karthikesh Robotics.